My name is Marcus Harris. I'm a Chicago-based software and intellectual property attorney. Since 1999, I focused my practice on drafting and negotiating ERP-related contracts and litigating failed ERP implementations in courts across the country. Prior to forming my own practice, I worked in the legal departments of SAP and Infor. I have an understanding of how software vendors operate, and I understand what it takes to sue software vendors for failed ERP implementations. Now, in our practice, we represent a large number of distribution companies. And for distribution companies, there really isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. I think distribution companies have unique needs that are dictated by the particular industry within which they operate. And for distribution companies, it is important for them, in order to maximize the success of the implementation, to follow certain steps. And I think one of those would be to make sure that the software and any unique functionality that they require is demonstrated to them using real data, and that the software vendor uses a demonstration script that is provided to the distribution company after the conclusion of the demonstration. It's also important for distribution companies to conduct site visits where they can see the software and any unique functionality or important functionality being utilized in a live environment. It's important for distribution companies in particular to document their business processes and their business requirements, and then to also make sure that the ERP vendor can integrate those requirements and processes into the overall ERP solution. It's important for a distribution company to have a solid understanding of what functionality gaps exist, if any, and how those functionality gaps are going to be addressed during the implementation of the software product. And finally, I think it is important for a distribution company to draft and negotiate implementation documents that are going to serve to manage the implementation. It's going to be important for those documents to have deadlines, milestones, deliverable requirements, and then acceptance and rejection criteria for particular deliverables and for functionality as well. And I think by following these steps, not only are you going to be able to negotiate and draft contracts that are going to meet your needs from an implementation management perspective, but you're going to increase the likelihood of success of the implementation of the software product. If you have any questions about any of the issues in this video or any of the issues in any of our other videos, please feel free to give us a call at 312-263-0570. Thank you.